Hello mga guys, daan na kami dito sa pool. Doon naman kami sa beach guys. Pupunta na kami ni Mike ng beach now. Sa beach na kami guys. Yung dalawa kong anak guys, andun sa ano guys oh. Wait there, honey Mike, to my children, honey Mike oh. Oh no, what happened? Let's not swim, only picture taking. What happened? Why you did not sleep? Oh, why you did not sleep? Why you did not swimming? Huh? Why you overlap there? Hala, dalom, di guro kayo ah.
Tawabang ka nun ay naglalawis ko nga.
Di na.
Ako.
Okay, sagad na mo ano? Sagad
Sir
na mo
Mike, do you know how
swimming?
to swim there off? Just like the other American?
Do what?
He's swimming.
He's swimming. I'm
On
swimming,
the
buddy.
deep, ano, water.
Oh, right there. Yeah, I can do like that.
Very sad. What is
very
that
sad.
oh? Ah, hindi. We go there, honey Mike, oh, very deep here, oh. I'm afraid to the deep. Gani, hindi ka mo mapatunga kay na eh. Ano ka mo sa lawod? Dire lang oh, sa kilid, oh. Bulong ang tubig sa ano, ligo ka mo. Bisan mga 5 minutes lang. There, oh. Guys, oh. Nice. Very nice. Bye na muna guys kasi maligo na kami guys. Bye bye.